it ain't the nature boy. Where's your little otter pal?
I'm afraid Flash is long gone.
It's been 57 years since we made that movie. Boulder Junction, Wisconsin, 1957. Me, then Disney filmmaker Jim Lebenthal, shooting Flash the Teenage Otter.
So what brings you back to the North Woods?
A good hunch, the angle for a story I'm writing.
Is going to be right down here at the bottom of this lake of yours. Bacteria at work. One man's trash is another man's treasure. Aeration. Yes. Jackpot. Oxygen and sunlight. Like moonlight and roses.
Everything I need to tell a beautiful nature story.
What happens when 8 million New Yorkers flush?